You're smart. You're self-aware. You analyze everything. But when it comes time to decide, you freeze. You replay conversations. You imagine worst-case scenarios. You obsess over what if. This isn't just stress. This is overthinking. And ironically, it hits smart people the hardest. Why? Because your greatest strength, your mind, is also your biggest trap. But once you understand why it happens, you can learn to stop it. Fast. Let's break this down. Smart people have a powerful brain, and a powerful brain does one thing really well: simulate possibilities. You're good at imagining what might happen, but that means your brain also creates loops of uncertainty. What if I choose wrong? What if I fail? What if they think I'm not good enough? Sound familiar? It gets worse. The smarter you are, the more variables you see, and the harder it becomes to pick just one option. That's analysis paralysis. You're not indecisive. You're overwhelmed by your own intelligence. And your brain? It's trying to protect you. Overthinking is your brain saying, if I just think a little longer, maybe I can avoid pain. But that never ends, because certainty never comes. Part 2. How to break the loop. So how do you stop overthinking, especially when your brain won't shut up? 1. Limit the time, not the options. Set a timer. 5 minutes, 15 minutes maximum. At the end, make the best choice with what you know. Decisions need a deadline. No deadline equals endless rumination. 2. Name the fear. Ask yourself, what am I really afraid of if I choose wrong? Often it's not failure, it's judgment, embarrassment, uncertainty. When you name the fear, it loses its power. 3. Act before you're ready. Overthinkers wait to feel sure, but clarity comes from action, not more thinking. Do something small. Click send. Make the call. Hit publish. It doesn't need to be perfect, just real. 4. Interrupt the thought loop. The moment you feel the spiral starting, use a pattern interrupt. Stand up, clap, say something out loud. Break the rhythm. Your brain will follow. Here's the truth. You don't need to stop thinking. You just need to stop stalling. Overthinking won't protect you. It will just exhaust you. Smart people don't need more time to decide. They need better boundaries around their thoughts. So here's your challenge. What's one thing you've been overthinking lately? And what's the smallest action you can take today? Comment below, and take that step before your brain talks you out of it. And if you want more science-backed tools to quiet your mind and take action, subscribe. You'll want to see what's coming next.